right, this is week 7 of our 25-week Hero WOD challenge. Usually these Hero WODs are in honor of a specific person who passed away in the line of duty. We just want to honor them. This particular one is 9 years ago, someone from the Army reached out to CrossFit and asked them to come up with a Hero WOD to commemorate the 241st birthday of the Army. And so now here we are 9 years later, 250th birthday anniversary of the U.S. Army. And so this workout is to honor that. So what it is an hour-long AMRAP, and it's got to do 17 power cleans at 135 pounds, and then 75 air squats. So that's the 1775. And then from there, I have to unload the barbell and carry the bar 200 meters, then run back, grab one of the 45-pound plates, carry it to the 200-meter mark, run back, grab the other 45-pound plate, take it to the 200-meter mark, set it all up, do the same thing again, 17 and 75, and then bring it all back over here. So it's really to kind of signify bringing a cannon, moving a cannon from one spot to the other in war. So I'm gonna do this workout 60 minutes here at 5 a.m. It's gonna be terrible, especially after the Hero workout I just did on Saturday. Today it is Tuesday, actually. I should be doing this on Saturday, but with 4th of July festivities, family coming in, etc., I'm just not able to on Saturday. So getting it done. And then as soon as I get done here, I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'm gonna take you through my brand new listing. So here we go. Got 4 full rounds plus 6 reps of the cleans. 60 minutes. That was rough. Burned 800 calories. My watch tells me I need to recover for 31 hours, but I gotta go take a cold shower, take you guys through a walkthrough of my new listing, 215 Glencoe. Couldn't even think. Hey, I'm here at 215 South Glencoe Avenue on the west side of Decatur. This is an awesome home on the historic district of Decatur. And check this out. One of the nice things about it is you got this huge 2-car garage. Not typical for this area. Usually they're small 1-car garages. Nice front landscaping, replacement windows, brick, nice hardwood floors. Got a gas fireplace here. Built-in character. That's what people love about the West End, is all the built-in character. Very neutral colors. Huge dining room here. Also wood floors, more built-ins, and one of the things I love about it, get this screened-in porch off the back. Doggy door or cat door. All right, into the kitchen here. Vinyl floors, Corian countertops, backsplash, stainless appliances. Anything good in here? No, empty. Let's see, lots of cabinets, dishwasher, lots of natural light here. Huge pantry off the kitchen. That's nice. Half bath in the main. We'll go down there in a bit. Upstairs. Okay, all the stairs. 4 bedrooms, good size bedrooms. Right here, your nails get too long. A little scratcher there. This bedroom has its own full bathroom. Tile floor, shower, everything you need here. And then here's another full bathroom. You can eat off these floors, they're so clean. Very nice. Privacy window there. Bedroom 3. Good size as well. And huge master bedroom. Look at those pretty wood floors with 2 closets. All right. Okay. Downstairs. Yeah, worked out a lot, but I still got breath. Okay, you got some bonus space down here. Rec room. I said there's a gas fireplace down below, or up on the main floor. There's a wood fireplace here. A bar here. This could be really cool space. There are several doors you would never even notice. Door. 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 Oh, it's open so you notice it. A lot of storage space. This might be a good canning place. A lot of storage down here. Roof was new last year. HVAC is about 15 years old. New gutter guards. This is where the washer and dryer go. Nice utility sink. New water heater. And let's just go outside because I want to highlight that big garage. Nice long driveway plus plenty of street parking. All right. Screened-in porch. New steps off that screened-in porch. So it's a 2-car garage, plus you got this extra like lean-to here for some extra storage space. Plenty of room for a couple cars. All the lawn equipment. It's a great house. 215 South Glencoe. Oh, I didn't mention, run down here. There are always people out walking and running and riding their bikes because you're about 5 blocks away from Kiwanis Park and the bike trail, the running trail, and not too far away from Fairview Park where they just put in a really, really nice new playground equipment. I need to go check it out because it looks really fun. Some exercise equipment. Clearly I need that because I'm still winded. And you're not too far from Milliken either. So great house. Check it out. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. 215 South Glencoe.